Hello everyone, Coin Searcher here, and today I want to show you a variety on the 2019 Philadelphia Lincoln Cent. This variety only appears on the 2019 Philadelphia, not the Denver unfortunately. But anyways, let's jump right into it. Starting off, this is a grease strike. It is also known as the floating head, detached head, or the no neck variety. It appears on the 2019 Philadelphia. As you see right there, the neck is detached compared to the not floating. If I can move that over, I apologize for that, but compared to the floating, you'll see the head being detached. These coins sell for around average ungraded $20 to $40. Like one sold of these for $34.95. This one sold for $204, June 26th, graded IGC, mint state 65 red. I don't know why you grade it by IGC, but here's another IGC graded mint state 64 red, sold for $66, July 17th. But there's a 2019 IGC mint state 64 red also, $182, July 22nd. So they still hold a premium, and mint state 64 or 5. A lot of them selling, like that one, mint state 66, 270, 88 bids. Wow. Then people are just selling random rolls, floating head possible. But apparently that one sold for $6. But anyways, that one actually sold for $100. Let's see that. May 19th. Or $1. My bad, not $100. But anyways, thank you for watching this short video on the 2019 Philadelphia floating head grease strike error. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button and hit the notification bell when you subscribe. But anyways, thank you for watching, and Coin Searcher out.